Hi guys, thanks for coming along. Today we're looking at the Sparkle collection from B&M stores. Yeah, so this is the glitter mirror. Just pop that down. So this mirror is 50 by 50 and it's part of the Sparkle collection, complete with hooks ready for hanging. Please take care when lifting this box. Seek help when required. Wipe with a soft damp cloth. Blah blah blah. Alright, but we've got a problem. Oh no, we don't like Chinese crap. But she bought it, not me, so I'm just going to unbox it and show you guys what it looks like. There was another version, and it lies basically it just looked like someone smashed it. It had a really weird look to it. So there's your hooks and stuff on the back, ready to rock and roll. Alright, so hopefully we'll get this up in the bathroom and I'll show you what it looks like fitted. So there we go guys, that's what that looks like. Nice little mirror. The good thing about it is that it's lightweight, so it'll take a standard picture hook, although I would advise always using a proper screw and put it to the wall, but in this case it is light. So there you go, and just a standard mirror, looks good. Thanks for watching. But buy British if you can, guys. I'll send our guys out over here. See you later.